fourth live in a row, and today I will speak about a couple of things that happened. First of all, Tara, I finished a 72 slide presentation for tomorrow for your people, so that will be very fun. Today I had as well a call with Christian yesterday and today too. He runs software business that he has employees and he creates software solutions for manufacturing companies in a B2B sense, and he understands now the power of marketing and why he needs to do it. He educated himself recently, and we were discussing about how he can market his business through LinkedIn, how he can use cold outreach to bring more business into towards him, and what big of a difference that would make for his business. And based on these two topics, the presentation for Facebook ads for Christmas that I'm doing for Tara and the discussions I had with Christian, it always comes to my mind how people struggle to market their businesses out in the world, to how to make their products and the services known. Most of the people that I met, they are very, very passionate about what they are doing. They are very capable with on what they are doing. They have great knowledge. They have endless years of experience, and they struggle in marketing. Not in the website creation sometimes, not on other topics, but in marketing, either because they are shy or because it's not their thing, or because they're afraid of sales, or because they're afraid of how they will be perceived if they are going to market, the exposure that marketing brings if they do it themselves, if they are the face of the business. And it's very interesting to me because the same fear I was facing and I'm still facing myself about bringing my business out in the world. This is why I'm actually doing these live streams. First of all, if anybody at any point comes into the lives to ask any questions and interact, maybe get into the discussion and have a live together, or answer really any questions about marketing, websites, funnels, copywriting, automation, AI, anything really. I actually love discussing about everything and anything. This day I was in the Accelerator Hub in NatWest. I'm part of an acceleration program for the second cohort, back to back, and I'm getting great networking. I'm meeting amazing people. I see different businesses. I'm in an environment with other business people, and I'm so shocked on the business ideas people come up with, the consistency and the passion they are working on their businesses, and the things that are struggling, that each one they look the same but are so different. There are people that have very mature businesses, people that have startups of startups, and people like me that we are in a little bit more start to mid level. And marketing always comes up as an issue. Cold outreach always comes up as an issue. Paid advertising always comes up as an issue. And I will finish this video, since I'm talking by myself, with a question: what would you like to have as a resource, free resource about marketing, about how to bring more traffic to your website, how to bring more traffic to your sales pages, how to make your people more aware of what you're doing and who you are. I'm willing to do anything that people might ask. And yeah, that's it for today. Another freestyle finished. See you in the next one tomorrow.